come and see.
Yo.
You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, NASA been copy. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yo. What's up, people? What's up, people? It's your boy NASA Ben Kabi, this Defi bully. Shout out to Big Beans. Shout out to Bean Chart Token with the launch. It was smooth. It was nice. I'm going to get deeper into that and to what happened to me during the launch. Oh, my God. Why it's important to get your sleep, kids. Kids, it's important to get your sleep. Get those 8 hours in or 6 hours or wherever the hell they say it is. But get some sleep. Don't be like NASA. Don't be like Defi bully. I'm going to tell y'all what happens soon. But before that, please be sure to hop over to the Defi bully YouTube page. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people?
And under everything else. Hold on.
What's up, people? It's your boy
here, people. Yes, go to Defi bully. We're on that push to 1,000 subscribers. Let's make it happen, people. We had a great launch, a good launch. It launched at well, the people that got in a pre-sale, we got in about 0.409, and when it launched at 0.3016. Okay, now we had to claim our tokens. The people that was in the pre-sale, for some reason, all right, look what happened. And this is what happened with me. I mean, hopefully it didn't happen to anybody else. I was asleep. Like, I fell asleep like an hour and a half. I stayed up as long as I could throughout the day because, you know, if you saw my last video that I dropped early this morning, I didn't sleep. So as soon as I lay down and get some rest, someone came and called me. Yo, NASA. Blah, blah, blah. So and they had me up. We up, and we start freestyling, start doing some studio work. And then as soon as I said, yo, let me lay down, I need to catch this launch. I need to be rested. As soon as I fell asleep, it was like an hour and a half before launch, people. An hour and a half before launch. Can y'all believe it? Hour and a half before launch. And then I fell asleep an hour and a half before launch. Ah, man. My wife waked me up like about 5 minutes before the launch. I'm like, yo, I'm zombie mode right now, people. I'm telling you, I'm zombie mode. This time, like, I'm zombie mode. When it launched, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I couldn't claim. I forgot how to do everything. Like, please get some sleep, people. Don't be like me. I start going through the Telegram chat. If y'all hear some noise in the back, that's because my phone is actually still on the call in the Telegram. Yeah, so I start searching through the chat, like, discombobulated, half sleep, don't want to miss out on the opportunity. I clicked. I was already in a pre-sale. I only put one BNB in the pre-sale, but I decided I wanted to throw some more money on. But since I was confused, I said, let me start with let me throw in another 0.25 BNB, which is about like $100. Just because I was kind of discombobulated. I was having problems claiming because every time I press claim, and I think I took a couple pictures in the Crypto Corner group and posted it. Yeah, right here. Every time I try to claim, it was saying 0.38 BNB to claim my coins. I was like, what? There's no way the fees could be. That's about like $160 at the time of recording this video. So I'm like, oh man, what the hell is going on? Yo, and on top of that, I was drinking. Ray and Nephew, shout out Ray and Nephew. If you're from Jamaica, you know what it is. White rum. Anyway, so I'm over here asking in the group, what's going on? Why is my fees so high? Is anybody else experiencing gas fees like this? It seems like I'm the only one. I'm like, no. Yo, people, believe me when I tell you, I start going into panic mode. So I'm like, yo, hell nah. I need to be a part of this in some type of way. So I stopped worrying about the claiming thing for a second while I'm waiting on the replies. Hopped in the Bean Chart Token group. I'm over here looking through. Oh, it looked like they deleted it. Oh, wait, how the hell I go that far? Hold on. Let me show y'all what happened. I probably deleted by now. But I took some pictures on my phone and sent it. I just don't really want to show this. All right, right here. One of these things that popped up. They muted the group so that the bots and the scammers wouldn't be able to send fake contract addresses. For some reason, like being discombobulated, half sleep, I seen this and just pressed it. Or I'm not sure how I copied to my clipboard. I went to Pancake Swap. I said, bump this. I'm going to be a part of this launch. Hold on. I said, I'm going to be a part of this launch. Hopped over to Pancake Swap. And I bought $100 worth. And here it go right here. It had the same name and everything. Be careful. There's scammers out there. Please don't get scammed, people. You know what I mean? I take these risks so you guys don't have to. Yeah, it's $100. I feel it, whatever. But it is what it is, you know? So I went over here. And as you can see, it's still worth the, well, now it's at $91. But look at this. If I try to swap it, nothing. And this has nothing to do with the team behind Bean Chart Token. Shout out Crypto Kratos. Shout out Juice. Shout out everybody, all the devs and everybody part of the team and everything like that. Has nothing to do with them. It's just a scammer with a fake a phony contract address. Here's the original contract address. All right. Mine's came out because I ended up selling out of frustration. I'm going to buy it back in a second, though. I might do that on camera for you guys, too. I was going to buy back my position in a little while. But, yeah. So, this is the other one right here. As you can see, it says 91,630. Wow. I'm going to still be asleep. 91,630,310 tokens. I was like, whoa, I'm up. So I'm like, boom. Let me see if I got, what the hell? And I'm looking at the chart and I see people in the group talking about the coin went up and went up. Boom, it went up all the way to 0.3016, you know? But sadly, I sent $100 to the wrong thing. And it happens, people. So be wary, be cautious, always double check your things, and make sure you get some sleep. Don't be like Defi bully. Not in this particular sense, in every other sense. You know what I mean? And remember, this ain't financial advice.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.
You heard what Vibes Cartel said. Free Vibes Cartel, by the way, but it's entertainment. But it is my money, people. It is my money, and I am feeling it. Well, I ain't really feeling it, because I know I'm going to make it back. Man. So, I mean, but it was an overall good launch. Right now, it's showing a little bit of resistance. It might, we might get back a little bit of a pump. We'll see what happens. One thing I'm looking forward to a lot is the new staking part of the bake house, as they call it. Bake passive income. The bake ecosystem, the bake house ecosystem. You know what I mean? We're a BNB miner and a BSC token bean chart. The two projects came together through the idea of some intuitive crypto enthusiasts. Our desire is to be the leading BNB miner platform, and with this idea, we are launching a BCT which launched today, with transaction tax that would be strategically and 100% transparent deposited into the Baked Beans miner for optimal growth and smart contract mining pool. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do, just because of that, and I made my little mistake today. I'm gonna go ahead and throw. I'm gonna throw a $200. I'm gonna throw. Let's see how much that is. 0.49. I'm gonna throw a 0.49 into my wait, what is going on? Why is my wallet saying boy? All right, bear with me for a second, people. Let me get this right. I'm about to throw some money into the Baked Beans miner. Just to advance my position on that, and then I'm gonna buy back some BCT tokens, hold that, hopefully there's another pump. Then we could jump in that staking pool and all these other things in the upcoming days. Because I heard one of the devs saying that it should be available soon. Okay, so let's see my BUSD. Put that on top. I got about 430 BUSD. Let me just throw that to BNB really quick, people. Really quick, really fast. Oh, hold on. Let me turn my slippage back down. My slippage was wild high because of you know, the trading. Everybody was trying to buy and sell. So, all right. That. What did it say? Transaction. I'm vaping, people. I'm vaping. I ain't stressing, but I'm vaping. I don't want to smoke no cigarettes. I don't do that. I really just sell vapes, you know. And I'm in Jamaica, so you know what we do. All right, let me stop being stereotypical. All right, so boom. So that's transferred to my BNB. And what did I say that was? 0.49, $200. Let me drop 0.49 into this. Oops, 0.49. BNB. Let's bake some beans, people. Let's bake some beans. Let's get it. Let's see. I'm at 10,999. I'm 10,997,165 beans. You go ahead and confirm that. Let's go, people. Let's go. Your boy's at 20 million beans. If y'all hearing stuff, like I said, I'm still a part of this BCT launch video, audio thing that's going on Telegram. Shout out again, Crypto Kratos, cool guy. They mad understanding, they'll help you all through the launch. They must have been doing 1,000 things at a time. One point I heard, I'm not sure if it was used or I'm not sure exactly who it was, but I just heard keyboard. I was like, yo, your keyboard about to catch on fire, bro. Nah, but they're going in, they trying to make sure everything goes successful, obviously. This is probably one of the most authentic feeling ecosystems that I've been a part of. It doesn't feel cult like but yeah, people going in. I lost some money today to some scammers, but it is what it is. It is what it is, people. We gotta make that money right back. So I'm over here sitting at 20,642,273 beans. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm gonna do an update on this right now. It's Eastern time, but I am in Jamaica. We don't have daylight savings, so Eastern time would be like 8:22 right now. It's 7:22 where I'm at. So I'm gonna check back this time tomorrow just to see how much those rewards increased. And yeah, I mean, like I was saying, people, make sure you get enough sleep at night. Don't be like me in this particular situation, and just pay attention to everything going on. And jump aboard if you're not a part of the Baked Beans Miner. I'll put my link down below. Join the Baked Beans Miner. Jump on the BCT token, buy up some BCT token. They're gonna have different ways to implement that into the Bake House ecosystem. So it's gonna be very good. There's a 12% buy tax and a 12% sell tax on the BCT token. 4% goes into marketing, 3% goes to LP, 5% goes into the miner. So you see everything's working together. Excellent. Yes. Shout out IC, cool guy. Shout out my boy Crypto Corner. Tech Mine. What else? Who else I'm missing out on? Shout out everybody doing their thing. Be smart, people. This DeFi is risky. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell to stay updated. I'm bringing it to you first, people. I'm gonna be the greatest BNB miner, the greatest baked bean miner of all time. You will see. I'm coming for your spot. Now let me stop. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. I'm gonna keep this one short, sweet. Go out and buy that BCT token, people. But this ain't financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.